večer, ljudi, hvala svima za vaše prisustvo I dobro došli.
Good evening, beautiful people. Welcome to everyone, and thank you for your presence.
Našim mladencima želimo izručiti najljepše želje, puno zdravlja, mira I veselja.
To our newlyweds, we are wishing you health, peace, and happiness.
Život je kao lijepi vrt. Čuvajte ga, neka uvijek bude pun cvijeća I zelenja.
Life is a garden. Take care of it and let it be full of flowers and forever stay green.
Mi vas volimo I sretno za uvijek.
We love you and wish you both all the best forever.
Živjeli mladenci!
Živjeli Mandenski.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
5 years ago, I got the pleasure of meeting Haley in cosmetology school. We instantly clicked, and I knew with zero hesitation that I had gained a best friend for life.
I was born on February 14th, 1992. He was born, if you know him well, on February 18th, 1992. So I say all of that because just a reminder that I'm 4 days older and 4 days wiser. More so than just letting you know how much older and wiser that I am, I think that some people are just destined to be friends and in your life. And for me, that's you being my best friend. And today we got to see Kris and Haley become husband and wife, two people that were just destined to be in each other's lives.
My favorite memories from my childhood feature Haley. There were little moments, like waking up early so that we could get ready for school together, or going on late night walks. And bigger moments, like family trips to Disney or birthday dinners with friends at Biaggi's, Haley's favorite Italian restaurant. As we've gotten older, I've realized how special it was that we got to grow up together in our blended family, especially after we became adults and moved to different states. Now I value the little moments so much more. The family dinners, game nights, FaceTimes, the time that we do get to spend together.
With me down the only road we know. Come talk with me, stay and watch the day grow old. I've been waiting for the moment to arrive.
Kris, my love, my light, my biggest cheerleader, my partner in crime, my best friend, and my soon-to-be husband.
As cliche as it sounds, I can't believe this day is finally here. I've dreamt of what this day would look like for so long, and from the day I met you, you were the one I hoped would be at the end of the altar.
I always knew you were the one for me, which is a feeling I can't put into words. As nerve-wracking as a day like today is, I know as soon as I see you, I will feel peace.
I know for the rest of our lives, when I look at you, I will feel calm. With you, I always know that no matter what, everything will be okay. I love you more than words can write. I would go to the ends of the earth for you and promise to do so for the rest of our lives.
He had just landed an incredible job opportunity in Salt Lake City, Utah. She contemplating long-distance relationship, but instead decided she was going to do everything in her power to move too. Despite me calling her crazy, she gave me that look, I'm serious. I distinctly remember when Kris picked us up from the airport. I sat in the back seat and witnessed her sigh of relief in that moment. I knew with him, she was home, wherever that may be.
The two of you together, not only are you clearly obsessed with each other, you put each other and your relationship first in a way that I find really inspiring. You show up for each other and you support each other fully, and it's clear how much fun you have together and how happy you make each other. I'm so excited to witness the next phase of your lives and to see how the two of you grow together and the great things that the future holds for you.
I can't wait to one day watch you become a father and to grow old together.
It's always been you, and it'll always be you. I love you. See you soon.
Love, Haley Tybal.
We have experienced your love and affection in one way or another. We've all been touched by you, and we all feel some attraction to you because of how much you have impacted and made our lives better. You've come and changed all of us here. all of us are better people because we know you. And for that, I just can't say thank you enough. I'm a better person because of Kris and Haley Tybal. You make my days and nights better, so here's to the Tybals. I love you so much.
I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Happiness in marriage is not something that just happens. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is having a mutual sense of values and common objectives. It is standing together, facing the world. It is forming a circle of love that gathers the whole family. It is not looking for perfection in each other. It is cultivating flexibility, patience, understanding, and a sense of humor. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is establishing a relationship in which the independence is equal, dependence is mutual, and the obligation is reciprocal. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
What I'm feeling, I think, is joy. And it's been some time since I felt that blinkered rush of happiness. This might be one of those rare events that lasts, one that will be remembered and recalled as months and years wind and ramble. One of those sweet, significant moments that leaves a footprint in your mind. A photograph couldn't ever tell its story. It's like something you have to live to understand. One of those freak collisions of fizzing meteors and looming celestial bodies and floating debris and one single beautiful red ball that bursts into your life and through your body like an enormous firework. Where things shift into focus for a moment and everything makes sense. And it becomes one of those things inside you, a pearl among sludge. One of those big, exaggerated memories you can invoke at any moment to peel away a layer of how you felt, like a lick of ice cream, the flavor of grace.
Well, Kris and Haley, as you've sealed your vows by the giving of these rings in the presence of these loved ones, I am truly honored to pronounce that you are husband and wife.
And I wouldn't miss it for the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is truly my honor to introduce the newly married Mr. and Mrs. Tybal. Congratulations.
I was waiting for the moment to arise, waiting for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for you, and I wouldn't miss it for